In this video, I'm going to show you how to play GTA San Andreas on Netflix. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to play GTA San Andreas on Netflix, you will need a Netflix application, also a Netflix account. So what you want to do right now is go to your Play Store and simply search for Netflix. What you want to do is to make sure that your Netflix application is up to date. After updating your Netflix to the latest version, you want to open the app, select your profile. Now from here, you just want to search or just go to the game section. Now from here, just search for GTA. And as you can see, it first pops up GTA San Andreas. So just tap on the game and just tap on Get Game. And it will redirect you to the Play Store and you just want to install the game. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.